Marvel at the towering red beauty of the Golden Gate Bridge. Feel the breeze and see breathtaking views of the bay. Take a boat ride to Alcatraz Island and explore an old prison. With secrets to tell, learn about its history and enjoy amazing views of San Francisco. It's an island of mystery and discovery. Hop on a historic cable car and ride up and down the city's hills. Feel the wind as you travel through the streets, seeing the sights in a fun and unique way. Explore bustling piers, taste yummy seafood, and watch boats in the bay. Fisherman's Wharf is full of fun, with sea lions to greet you and shops to explore. Meet chatty seals, wander through colorful shops, and enjoy tasty treats at Pier 39. It's a place of joy, with magical views of the ocean and exciting things to do. Stand where soldiers once watched over the bay at Fort Point. Discover cannons and old brick walls and feel the history guarding the Golden Gate. It's a fortress of stories and adventure. Step aboard historic ships and learn about seafaring adventures. See old boats and hear tales of the sea. It's like sailing back in time. Zigzag down the most crooked street in the world. Lombard Street is a fun, twisty adventure with beautiful flowers and amazing views. It's like a roller coaster on the road. Step into a world of vibrant colors and delicious smells in Chinatown. Explore shops with cool treasures and taste yummy foods. Meet lions, giraffes, and penguins at San Francisco Zoo. Discover animals from around the world and learn about them in a place where wildlife is close and exciting. Touch, play, and learn at the Exploratorium, where science comes to life in amazing ways. It's a place full of wonders, where every exhibit is an adventure in learning. Wander through galleries of stunning modern art, see paintings, sculptures, and interactive exhibits that spark your imagination. It's a museum where art meets the future. Explore vast green spaces, beautiful gardens, and hidden paths. Play in open meadows, see lovely flowers, and discover museums. Golden Gate Park is a treasure of nature and fun. Walk through a park full of history and nature. See old military buildings, beautiful forests, and enjoy stunning views of the Golden Gate. The Presidio is a journey through time and beauty. Stroll through colorful streets, enjoy amazing murals, and taste delicious food. The Mission District is full of life, with music, art, and flavors that celebrate its rich culture. Taste yummy Italian food, see charming cafes, and explore bookstores. North Beach is like a slice of Italy, with lively streets and delicious smells that invite you to explore and enjoy. Climb to the top of Twin Peaks and see an incredible view of San Francisco. It's a place of wonder, where the city spreads out like a sparkling carpet below you.